In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create network diagrams in drawio. We'll start from a blank canvas, bring in professional networking icons, connect everything clearly, and finish by saving and exporting your diagram so it's ready to share. Open your browser and go to draw.io at appy.diagrams.net. Because it runs in the browser, there's nothing to install. You may be asked where to store your files. Choose your device or a cloud drive, whichever suits your workflow. On the welcome screen, pick new if you want a fresh canvas, or open existing diagram if you're continuing a previous project. If you're starting new, give your file a name and choose a blank canvas or a template. Blank is perfect for most network maps. To get the right icons, look at the left sidebar and click plus more shapes. This opens the shape libraries. Scroll down to the networking section and enable the sets you need, such as networking, Cisco, or cloud providers like AWS or Azure. Click apply. Using consistent icon sets helps readers instantly recognize routers, firewalls, and cloud services across your diagram. Now drag shapes from the left sidebar onto the canvas. Drop in your routers, switches, servers, client machines, and firewalls, then arrange them in a logical flow, left to right for data paths or top to bottom by layers. The grid and alignment guides will help you space items evenly. Zoom in if you need precision, and keep related components grouped to make the layout easy to read. Create connections by selecting a shape and dragging the small blue arrow that appears toward the target shape. This creates a smart connector that stays attached even if you move devices around later. If a line routes awkwardly, don't worry, you can adjust its style and path afterward. To document your design, double-click a shape or a line to add text. Label devices with host names or roles, and add interface names, VLANs, or subnets on connectors where helpful. Clear labels make troubleshooting and reviews much faster. Use the right-hand panel to refine the look. Change line types to dashed or dotted to indicate logical versus physical links. Pick meaningful colors, add arrowheads to show direction, and adjust thickness for emphasis. Consistent styling turns a functional diagram into a professional one. When you're ready to save your work, choose the XML format so you can reopen and edit it later. And when you need to share, go to File, then Export As, and pick PNG, JPEG, or PDF. PNG is great for docs and slides, while PDF is ideal for printing or high-quality distribution. That's it. Clean, clear network diagrams in Draw.io from setup to export.